man, more moles. Time for some scissor traps, I think. But you know, find me that run. Them ones down there anyway, don't they? Hey Pino, come on, are we working today or not? She's moved where the mole hill was now. Where's the mole? I think I'm going. I'll beat you to it. I'll beat you to it. I'll beat you. I beat you to it this time. Oh, the good old dibber was better than the doggy for once. It was quicker. It's a bit windy up here today. A bit windy. But again, you can see there's this sandy soil that we've got. Where's the run going? So the run is going off that way. And it's going that way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and straighten that run out a little bit, I think, Rick. So we go that way and that way. See, a lot of people, they use knives and things like that. Just man your hands up, get in there, get in touch with things. He says wearing gloves. Health and safety, you know, we love that kind of stuff. So again, setting a scissor trap, quite simple. Just hold the handles here, and then you've got those little noggins cut out there, look, and they sit in there in the centre of the trap. Boom. Well, we hope it's a boom. And then wherever the tunnel is, so the tunnel is right there and there, I'm going to set that, make sure there's no stones. Have a listen out. Listen, listen, listen. No stones. Oh, might be. There we go. It really is quite cold today. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill that part in on this side, just to make it so it's like just like the tunnel that it was. And then a little bit in front there. Oh, I think I heard a stone then. I'm too cold to bother setting it, resetting it though, I think. I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be okay. And there we go, one set mole trap, a scissor trap. I think we need to set another one down there as well. Let's do that. Dibber. See the dibber? Nice little bell end on the end of that. Everyone finds that hilarious. So basically when that goes through the grass and through the soil, it pushes through, gets to the lip of the bell end, and boom! Lips, bell ends, we got it all here, the pest interceptors. And then basically we just push it through the soft soil. We're waiting for it to drop into the tunnel. Oh, there we go. You catch that? Awesome. So there you can see, look, bang, into the run, or the tunnel. And then I just move some of this soil away. Oh, a bit of sunlight. Thank God for that. It was so cold. We were here literally, a few days ago it was, and it was beautiful. You might have seen the video. If you're watching on mobile, on your mobile phone, there'll be a link for it right here. We're also using scissor traps. I think it took a day to catch that mole, and straight away another mole's come into the system and made this mess. Back down again we come. It's a good job we keep our bees here, isn't it? The lady doesn't even need to ring us up, because we're always checking on our bees. And if you'd like to see where we get our bees from, you should have a look at this playlist. There's actually a long playlist all about all the honeybees that we save, and bumblebees as well. We can't get cracking this year. Wait to get cracking this year. Going to be a good season, I think. Honeybees, bumblebees, we save them all. So it's not all about killing in pest control, but today it is for this mole. So if the claws get caught on anything, it won't work efficiently. So there we go. And then I'll use this bit of sod in a moment. I'll fill that back in on this side, just to make the tunnel more of a tunnel for Mr. or Mrs. Mole. I'll push that in so it's nice and firm. A little dribble of light soil in the middle, and then we'll place a sod either side. No need for knives and scissors and shears and things like that. It's nice to get in there with your fingers in it. Grapple your grape nuts. Okay, so now we're going to go and sort out some rats that are coming out of a sewer at a lady's house. There might be a video for that here. If not, it'll be something very, very similar. So please remember to like and subscribe. Those likes really give us a help as well. And if you've got any comments, please make them down below. My old friend, the squirrel trap, scissor trap even. Not a squirrel trap. If you want to watch about squirrel trapping, you'll want to look, if you're watching on mobile, you'll see it over here. I think we've got a little dog that loves a microphone. Look at her. What's that, Pino? We're more interested, Pino, in what's here. She's going to have that out of your hand, by the way. She's going to have it.
She better not do.
So, we can tell this one's gone off. This one hasn't.
Pino, it's a microphone.
Leave the microphone, Pino.
It's not a mole. Go away. Shoo.
Perhaps if I show her this one. Pino, what's in here? Is there a dead mole in here? Hopefully. Let's see. What's in here? What's in there? Oh, one mole. There we go. You're disgusting. You are horrible.
Pino, oh my God, that was horrible.
That is pretty gross, isn't it? So, the scissor trap strikes again. You can see here, the mole had a little lucky escape, look here. Because it's pushed up a molehill right next to the trap. But we can take these out now. Job done. One more here. And Pino is having a lovely dinner today. Can I have the mole back, please? Go and fetch me the mole. Pino, go and fetch the mole. Fetch me. Fetch. Fetch. Hey, fetch it to me. Go and fetch the mole. It tastes disgusting, doesn't it? They taste horrible, don't they? Don't they? Oh, that's really fresh, look. It's actually bleeding. That's literally been caught in the last 10 minutes or so, I would say. There's blood coming out of it like that. Isn't that nice? A bit of mole blood. You disgusting.
What a strange dog.
Another day with the Pest Interceptors. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And give us a like. It really, really helps us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.